Good day, I am Landimichi Suerte from BSIE 4B. My topic is the inbound logistic continuations. So the questions is, how does the use of documentary credits facilitate international trade? The first slide is the documentary credit. So the documentary credit is one of the most secure payment methods in international trade, offering the exporter a conditional payment guarantee from the exporter bank. Documentary credit usually require the presentations of certain documents which must be complied with before payment can take place. So this slide is nag-define siya of documentary credit as a secure payment method in international trade. So nag-highlights din siya of documentary credit offer the exporter a conditional payment guarantee from the exporter banks. So this means is the exporter is assured of payment but not only if they meet the specific condition outlined in the credit. So this ang requirement sad is ang documentary credit is nag-require sad siya of the presentations of certain documents such as invoices, bills of lading, and insurance certificates. So these documents must be compliant with the credit terms before payment is kanang ma-release siya ang that's all. Next is the documentary credits, also known as the letter of credit, are crucial instrument in facilitating international trade by providing a secure payment mechanism and mitigating risk for both importers and exporters. They act as a guarantee of payment from a bank on behalf of the importer, ensuring that the exporter receives payments once they have fulfilled the terms and conditions of the sales agreement. So this slides is nag-highlight siya og two main benefits, which is the secure payment mechanism and the second is the risk mitigations. Sa secure payment mechanism is documentary credits is nag-provide siya of a secure way to ensure payment for goods. Then sa risk mitigations is nag-help siya to reduce risk for both importers and exporters. The next is the security and the trust of documentary credits. Documentary credits is provide a significant level of security for both parties involved in the transactions. For the exporter, they offer assurance that payment will be received once the required documents are presented, reducing the risk of non-payment or delayed payment. This is especially important when dealing with unfamiliar buyers in foreign countries. So this slide is nag-focus siya on security aspects of documentary credits. Nag-explain siya sa documentary credits to give kanang exporters assurance that they will be paid once they present the required documents para sad ma-reduce ang ilang risk of non-payment or delayed payment. Importante sad ni siya kay para sad madil ilahang unfamiliar buyers in foreign countries. On the other hand, importers are assured that payment will only be made once the exporter fulfills the agreed upon terms and conditions, such as providing the required documents and meeting delivery deadlines. This protects the importer from the risk of receiving substandard goods or services. The use of documentary credits helps to build trust between parties involved in international transactions, especially when they are unfamiliar with each other or operating in different jurisdictions. The next slide is the risk mitigation and dispute resolution. Documentary credits also play a vital role in minimizing disputes between buyers and resellers by providing a clear framework for the transactions. The terms and conditions of the credits are agreed upon in advance, and any discrepancies in the required documents can be resolved through established dispute resolution mechanism. This reduces the risk of misunderstandings and disagreements, which can be particularly challenging in international trade due to the language barriers and cultural differences. So, these slides as nag-emphasize og documentary credits helps minimize disputes between buyers and sellers. So, this is na-provide siya og clear framework for the transactions with the terms of condition agreed upon in advance. So, ang discrepancy resolution ani is nag-required siya og document can be resolved through kanang established dispute resolution mechanism. Nag-help din siya to prevent misunderstanding and disagreement, which can be common in international trade due to the language barriers and cultural differences. So the next slides is the facilitating trade finance and access to funding. So documentary credits also play a vital role in enabling access to trade finance for businesses engaged in international trade. Banks are more willing to extend credit facilities when there is a documentary credit in place, as it provides them with an added layer of security. This allows businesses to obtain financings for their import-export activities, ensuring smooth cash flow and supporting their growth ambitions. In conclusions, documentary credits are a vital tool for facilitating international trade by providing a secure and reliable payment mechanism. They mitigate risk, enhance trust, and facilitate access to trade finance, enabling businesses to engage in cross-border transactions with greater confidence. While there are some disadvantages and risks associated with documentary credits, such as complexity and cost, there are benefits outweighing these drawbacks, making them an essential component of global trade. That's all, sir. Thank you.